Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun stepper card for you. This is my spider stepper card. How cute is that little spider? He or she is spinning their web right there in the front. They have a little witch's hat on, and of course a stepper card pops up so that it can sit down on the table all nice and proper. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course there's an envelope as well. Now I will say that this one is more of a simpler stepper card than I have made in the past, but I hope that that means that you can embellish it with some different pattern papers or some more embellishments of your own. I can't wait to show this to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue or adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score lines for the card base. So starting at the top, there's a score line here and a score line here on the little arms. You're going to fold those as mountain folds. Then this score line in the middle is going to be folded as a mountain fold. These second score lines here on the arms are going to be folded as valley folds. So I'm just going to pinch those two. And then the last score lines here on the sides are going to be folded as mountain folds. Okay, can you kind of see that shape right there? Then when I fold the card down, everything should kind of lay in place. I will flip the card over and I'm going to burnish everything with my scraper. And then from the side, that is how your card should look. So I'm going to set that to the side just for a minute. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the blue cover panel, then the orange band, then the charcoal, white, black, dark blue, orange, and then the gray spider web. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. There is our fun front cover panel. I will set that to the side. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Now let's take our card base, go ahead and open up the card, and we can attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card. We can take these two cover panels for the side arms and attach those. And finally, attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card. I'm going to set the card to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's take our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap, spin the envelope around. Now you can add the card to the envelope if you wish. That way you can ensure that you make enough room for the card. Those different layers do add some good bulk to it. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms the envelope. And our stepper card is all set. Wasn't this one really simple to put together? Like I said in the beginning of this video, you could totally add some pattern paper, some extra embellishments to really make it your own. I'm really excited for you to make this one. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Paper Crafts video. Bye-bye.